Hey y'all, what's going on? Another video coming at you. Doing something a little bit different. We're doing a family boat day. Like the truck, but we're going to an island of Ocracoke. Only way you can get there is by ferry or boat, and it's going to be a little bit of a haul for us. So it's one of my bucket list items. So got overboard, so we can get everything buttoned down, and we're gonna have us a little jaunt of a trip here in a minute. It's going to take about an hour and 20 minutes, so I'll see if I can't plug in some short shots. And I'm dropping stuff, and we'll see you directly. All right, y'all, I appreciate y'all watching this video. Got back and just didn't have time to do a kind of close out this video. Just recap on this month. July has been just, it's brutal. Our trip here to Ocracoke was the first day in since the 4th of July that we had winds that were under 20 mile an hour, and it's been just real tough to do some fishing. I know I did another video from a little pier with my kids that I didn't post. Didn't like how, it was an okay video. I just didn't like how, just didn't like, it just wasn't doing, there was something about it I just didn't like and didn't want to post it. So I also tried to get with Koki Attic. He came in from Utah, was doing some family stuff, and he was able to break away. We went to Bogling up here, got to meet him. Great family. Also got to meet his wife and a couple of his kids. Great family. Unfortunately, the weather did not cooperate either. Even though it was sunny, it was blowing 20, 30, I mean, it was blowing a gale. It was pushing 30, 35 miles an hour, and it was just tough when we went to boogieing up here. So didn't produce much, and the audio, I mean, it wasn't, it was very tough. You couldn't do any audio on that video. So with that, we're going to look forward to August. Like I said, got a little video here, and look forward to getting some fishing done. I've been doing a little shrimping here on the side, but it's not a lot of room, and I can't wear cameras, and the lighting's horrible. So that's kind of not, we're not going to do any videos on that, but unless we can figure something out a little bit better. But we're looking forward to August, and then we'll get into the fall, and that's when we're going to bust wide open on fall fishing around here. So I'm looking forward to that. Get through these dog days. It's tough fishing these dog days. So with that, I hope y'all have a good one, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you.